Stop chasing dead-end jobs. Here's how you can start making money online today. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you offer your unique skills to a global audience. Got a knack for writing, design, or coding? There's someone out there willing to pay for it. Next, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. Share your expertise or passions and monetize your content with ads and sponsorships. It's hard work, but the potential is huge. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? Promote products you love and earn a commission on every sale. Sign up with Amazon Associates or other affiliate programs to get started. Finally, don't forget about online courses and ebooks. If you have knowledge to share, platforms like Udemy and Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a wide audience. So there you have it. Freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, and online courses. Pick your path and start earning today. The internet is full of opportunities. Grab yours now.